You have to add a section, right? So you have created a section. Yeah. Understood. Till now, any questions? No. No, right now, inside section, you will be having layouts inside layout. So you'll be. You can write it down on a notepad. You can open a notepad. Yeah. Here you can write. No come from the start of the life cycle. /flow. Life cycle /flow/ you can use. Because both are same. Only write life cycle or flow. Okay. After flow, we need to create flow action. From flow, you will create a flow action. Okay, from flow action, you'll create a section. If from section you will add a bad layout, inside section we need to add layout. Inside layout, you'll add properties. This is fine. See, yesterday, we have created a life cycle and a flow. Today we have created a flow action section. We have created now inside section. We have to add that. Okay, inside section, we have to add the layouts and properties. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now go to your application. You can launch a portal and just try to create a case. Launch a portal. Use our portal. Try to create a case. Click on the plus icon on the right side. Yeah, new order. It will come. Okay. See, the case ID is 2001. See, nothing is there in the section you saw. Submit is coming. Yeah. Because you have created a flow action. See, yesterday, what you observed yesterday, you are getting. Advance this case type like that you are getting right. Yes. Today you are getting the submit and cancel buttons because flow action you have created. But section you haven't configured it, section you need to add layouts and properties. Then that will come here. Okay. Okay. Go to your section. In the Designer Studio. Because of this, I'm not able to code. Okay. Click on your MacBook, right? Yeah, mine is Mac. Control that Command W. Yeah. Okay. Here, go to your section. Yeah. Yeah, you can open that section. You have already opened it in the last time. Okay. Yeah, you click on Convert to full section. Editor. You have one hyperlink, right? Blue color hyperlink. Where it is. No below yeah. Okay. Now see, I'll tell you the requirement, okay. Here you are collecting the delivery address, right? So you need to collect the current address and delivery address. Two categories are there. See, I'll tell you the requirement. Okay, that collect, that deliver. You have to get an heading first. Okay, heading must be current address inside current address. You need to have all the data, like you need to collect all the delivery info, like name, street name or some colony, some address details. You need to collect like zip code. Under section. We are defining the layouts. Layout is already there. Right by default. You have got one layout. Dynamic layout. One is there. Okay. Now inside layout. You need to configure a properties. Okay. Okay, properties hold the data in clipboard right. Yes. So you need to create a properties. Now, how I need is like, what data you need to hold is like name of a person, like name. Okay. Street name. Address line, one address line to a landmark and zip code. These 5 things. You need to add it here. Okay. Okay, so where should I add the properties? Yeah, click on Data Capture. You are capturing a data right from user. You're capturing a data. So you click on Data Capture and click on Text Input. That is a text input, right? Yeah, drag and drop it in the layout. Yeah, drag and drop in the layout. Okay. Now you open that one. We have some gear icon on the extreme right side right, or you can double click also. Where I can double click here. Okay. Yeah, there, you can double click or you can click on the gear icon. Okay, here, if you saw it, is asking for a property. Okay. You give a property as name. Name. And you name property doesn't exist in your system, right? So you just create an open secret and open it. Click on the crosshair icon. That icon is there. Yeah. Now it's correct. Yeah. Now it's correct. You just give capital letter. The end is a capital letter. Now it's correct. It will take. You know it will take. Create an open. 1 second. Identifier is there. Right, that has to get edited. Name. It will change automatically. Yeah, and you give capital. Now you can create an. Okay. Now, if you see, don't save it.